Tony Wet 73. I haven't drawn in a very long time. What should I do to get back into it? Yeah, great question. Thank you, Tony. I think to get back into drawing, if I had stepped away from it for quite a while and I was just getting back into it now, I would not worry about trying to draw something to look a certain way such that I could present it to somebody else. I think when people get that goal in mind, it's entirely the wrong way to think about getting back into drawing. Instead, you have an incredible opportunity having stepped away from it and now you're coming back. This incredible opportunity is to reacquaint yourself with the medium itself. So with drawing, you have pencils. They don't change very much other than how soft they are. But with a single pencil, you have two different ways to use the pencil, right? You have the tip of the pencil, and you're gonna grip your pencil a certain way. My grip is this triangular shape, so I have this 3-finger grip. These 2 fingers here are just used for stability on the paper, but I grip the pencil with this 3-finger grip. Your grip is going to be different. I have a video on different grip strategies and advantages, but you're going to have a grip, and so this is my grip for using the tip of the pencil like that, and that's used primarily for line work, whereas my grip, I flip my thumb over and I'll take a grip like this to use the side of the pencil, and that's primarily for shading, or for tone work, which is good for shading the face. And so when I'm drawing, I always go from this to this. That's exactly the kind of thing that you should be getting back into. You should be practicing your grip differences, different pencil strengths. You should really try to get from 1 to 5 distinct pressures for each pencil. So with an H, an HB, a 2B, an 8B, etc. With each pencil, try to get, number 1 will be the lightest you can possibly use. Number 5 will be the darkest you can possibly create. And then from 1 to 5, a perfect blend for 2, 3, and 4. 3 being exactly center. And if you can do that with all of your pencils, then you're really getting to know your medium. Obviously, if you're talking about painting, then you have a lot more to go. But yeah, focus on media. Focus on paper, focus on your pencils, different eraser types. Try kneaded erasers, white erasers, pink erasers. See what works for you. But don't focus on trying to draw something. Focus rather on the materials.